Hey guys, back again with another video. This time I'm on my way back to the house. We got the carpeting done on the second floor. Bought all the materials I needed to get the bathroom done. I was given some good advice. I found the contractor that decided to work with me. He said the contractor gave me a list of material that he needed to fix the bathroom, and he gave me a daily rate that he would work for me. And the hiring point for me was that him telling me, you don't gotta pay me. You don't gotta pay me till I'm finished with the job. And if you don't like the job, you don't gotta pay me. So once he said that, I said, you're hired. Let's go. Tell me what you need, and I'll start getting it. So let me show you now what the carpeting looks like. So it's been a rough couple of weeks, but we got a lot of work done on the house. I'm happy to say that the first floor tenant is paying his rent on time, which is a great thing. I got all the materials I needed for the second floor to put together a bathroom. I got a contractor that said he's going to work with me by me buying all the materials, which was a great deal, and by him doing the job based on a daily rate. He gave me an estimate for how many days the job would take him, and he told me that if it takes him longer, that I don't have to pay him. And he also said that if I don't like the job that he did, I don't have to pay him. So I was very satisfied with that, and he is now going to start working on my bathroom. And when I get to the house, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. So in a little bit, I'll get back to you when I'm in the house. So I'm standing here in the bathroom on the second floor apartment. We're obviously in the bathroom, this beautiful turn of the century bathroom, I guess. I'm going to be ripping everything out of this bathroom. We're going to be redoing it. I'm excited. We finally got to the stage. The floors in the rest of the house are done. So I'm going to share with you a little bit of what I'm going to be doing in here. I'm going to be ripping down all these walls. The floors are going to be ripped up. Everything is going to be brought to the studs. So we're going to redo everything. This toilet's going to the garbage. All this is getting ripped out. This wall here is going to be pushed out a little bit so we can fit a bigger tub in there. Getting one of those tubs with the liners in the back, which would look really nice. Just wanted to give some pointers. When you rip out a bathroom to the studs, you're usually putting something on the studs that's waterproofing the area because it's a bathroom. I recommend using something like this. This is a waterproof stone board. There's something also called Wonder Board, which is concrete. It's not waterproof. This is waterproof and mold resistant. It's a little more expensive, but for a rental property, I think it's worth it. You don't want your downstairs neighbors complaining that their ceiling is leaking. For these floors, as you can see, these floors are ugly. We're going to replace it with this tile. It's a nice, good, durable ceramic tile. It's a little on the higher end for a rental property, but I want my rental property to look nice. So I'm going to be putting down this floor in here. And as far as the walls go, we're going to do a subway tile like this one here. Okay, we're going to run it across the wall, probably somewhere like shoulder height, running across. I'm also gonna move the vanity from this side of the bathroom to this side of the bathroom, so to create, a workable, a place to put a table, maybe another vanity, just to put something on this side of the bathroom. It's gonna look nicer with the window. We're gonna have the subway tile running along the whole side of the wall. I think it's gonna look nice. I think it's gonna go good. I think the contrast is going to be nice. All right, you can tell me what you think down below on my choice of tiles. But I think it's the best that I can do. So this is the before picture. Hopefully it's going to come out as good as I wanted. Obviously I'm putting a new vanity. I hope it's going to come out great. I hope the tenants are going to love it. Let's I'll see you guys and show you the end result. All right, see you soon. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm super excited. I finally got this bathroom finished. I got the whole second floor apartment actually done, and it's actually rented right now. I'll go over that in a little bit, but take a look at this bathroom. Look at this. This is amazing. You see the pictures from before? It's insane. We ripped up the whole floor, completely brand new to the studs, the walls, everything was gutted. We did all the electrical, all the plumbing, everything. Look at this. It was great. Home Depot is great for this stuff. Look at the shower. Whoa, less than 500 bucks on this whole shower setup. The tiles were expensive, but they were really nice. I love subway tiles. I love the look. This is actually a metal strip. It was a lot cheaper than putting a tile cover, but this way I got to use a lot of it. It's running all the way around. Put a new heater. Got a new toilet, new vanity. We obviously, if you've seen the original picture, we moved the sink from this side of the bathroom to this side, opened it up. It's a very nice look. I installed this nice shower curtain for the tenants. So it looks nice. So it's great. You know, here, I'll even show you something I'm very proud of. All right, I hope this doesn't mess up the angle. This wasn't planned, but I put in this nice mirror with this nice little tilt to it. I love it. Nice lighting. I actually did that myself. I'm very proud of myself. Okay. The hot water, everything works. The contractor that installed all the piping here left the access panel from the kitchen. We need access to the back of the shower to play with the piping. You can. Let me go show you. See if you like it. So this is the service panel that was opened up for me. It's always good to install these, so this way you don't have to break walls if you need to get to the back of the shower. If you look inside, you have shut-off valves. We have shut-off valves for all the water and everything. Even shut-off valves down here for the kitchen sink. By the way, we also ran all new piping for the kitchen sink, which is great. So this was a great little addition. We're gonna put some nice wallpaper or something on this to make it look pretty, but it looks good. Now that I got the apartment rented, I'm going to start the next phase of the BRRRR strategy, which is going to be to go and refinance this property. I'm going to take my leases, I'm going to take all the receipts that I have from all the work that I put into the house. I'm going to start going to all the local banks in the area to see who's going to give me the best evaluation on the house. I'm going to get an appraiser, and let's see what we can do. You know, my plan from the beginning was to have this house appraised for around $90,000. Let's see if that worked out. I got my fingers crossed. I think so. I already found my next property if it works. You guys have been sticking with me for a long time. I appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel, and you'll also be able to see the final outcome. You know, to actually see how much money I make on this property. You know, if there's anything I'm trying to be is as straight up as possible, so this way you can see how it's actually done in the actual process. I may have cut some things out here and there due to my inexperience, but I plan to get better. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your comments. See you later. See you in the next video. Have a great one. New